Yo, yo.
Yo,
You everything good to go?
I believe so.
All right, let's get it. I'm not even at the house.
Oh, bet. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. I gotta run the start running right now to Star Market to grab some water. I'm trying to be back before the open, but we gonna see what happens.
Right.
So
Yeah.
that should be good. No. Yeah, we chilling.
We're getting very close to the 61.8. We might be going for that gap. Yesterday, opening gap, market open gap. So I think might let this one slide for the 61.8.
Might let which one slide? We talking about?
We're approaching the 61.8, but there's that gap. So I'm feeling a little bit bearish.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you letting instead of being long, you're saying.
Right. Just
Gotcha.
let see if we drop,
Gotcha. I feel you. Well, let's get it. My service is gonna be choppy, so but
Hey, morning,
should be
fam.
good in a couple minutes.
How's it looking like right now?
Morning. What's it looking like?
Man, it's looking bearish.
Yeah, it is kind of.
Failed to make a higher high, fixing to break that previous low. We'll see what they're trying to do.
Yeah, boys, in anything right now?
No, not yet. Not yet. I think I might let things settle. If I see that we start breaking some good levels, I might enter a short. But we'll see how things are looking like.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Ooh. Ten seconds.
Got these little. I think there's two service dogs barking at each other right now. Nothing. Market open. Let's go.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
That boy Surge.
Hey,
I just got word back from Bull Knox
what they say?
that we good.
Okay, bet. Hey, let's go.
That boy Lou.
Yeah, hold on one second, bro. Yes, sir.
Yeah, they just said it's good. It's good. We're good to go.
I'm gonna ask what they said in a little bit. Give me a second.
All right, bro. Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Order filled. Order filled.
Surge, I'm button off.
Okay, bet.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm big lagging too, a little bit, but I think did we ever go to 603? What's the low of the day?
Low of the day is
608 and some change?
Yup.
Okay,
608.50, I believe.
Perfect.
Oh, 608.25.
Perfect.
Order
25,
submitted.
yep, that's what I got. Okay. Wait, how are we still? No, we should. Nope.
Yeah, I haven't taken no trades today. It's been nice, but man.
No, we closing that.
Order filled.
We taking that. I'm butting off everywhere. I don't like I'm buttoning off. I'm up so much already. I'm good.
Let's go.
Let's
go.
I'm not giving any of that back. Nope. No, sir. Not me. Oh no, not this one. Wait, it's the other take prop? Ah. It's giving a lot of it. All right, let's see how it ends up. Who's on this one? Who's on 946? Gotta check and see something. 946. Oh. Let's see. Oh, for 3, bang. Okay. 946.
Order submitted.
Oh, that's annoying.
Order filled.
Damn. Just gave back a bunch for that account. Shit. Now it's red. Red 40. Oh, it was up 400. Now it's that's annoying.
What y'all boys are looking at? Longs or shorts on NQ?
Man,
I'm seeing this coming into
right
this
now,
hour for value gap. It's at this little
yeah. I ain't even looking at all those. I'm just running on with it. Let me see.
we might have a balance, man, but man, I'm not gonna take no trades till
Order submitted.
Nah, yeah, I gotta wait till the rejection and
Order
everything
filled.
off under 30. Really let it test and reject and retest, and then I'll see what's going on.
Oh, this one would have been a monster. Okay, I see what I did there. All right, that's cool. We're gonna button that guy. Oh, yeah. That's fine. I'll get that back with something else. Yeah, there. Okay. Those are good. Let me mute.
Order submitted. Connection lost. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I had a TPT account up 400. Now it's down $40.
Oh, let's go.
A little error. No, it was up 400 Now it's down $40, so I gave back $4.50.
Oh, darn, damn.
That's all.
Damn. Martin Wellness Check.
Hey, yo, what's up?
How's it looking like?
Like, right. If I took a trade?
Yeah.
I took a trade earlier on the drop
Let's
down,
go.
but not. I'm just. I'm on hold. Wait, because I think this is a pullback. I don't think this is actual reversal. I'm trying to see what price could potentially put. To put him back to the the 4 hour fair value gap. The 4 hour candle is still very bearish. That 1 hour candle is bearish as shit too.
Yeah, we fixing to close here in 5 minutes.
We're close to yeah, I think it's just a pullback. We're close to 50% on the fib, but it didn't quite touch it. Like,
Order submitted.
so I'm thinking market's just pulling back and then it's gonna drop again. Mm-hmm.
Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, word. I'm back right. Let's get it.
Order
Hey,
filled.
let's get it.
I have to go manually short this 38 too. Oh, got out too. Oh, damn. Got out way too early. Damn. Oh,
Order submitted.
okay. That's fine. Hold on, let me go over to this chart. Oh, it took that. So that means I'm gonna have to put the stop here for demonstration purposes. We must be dumping heavy right now, huh? Because my shit lagging crazy.
Right. 671, 73, 72, 73, 4, 5, 6, 76, 75, 70.
Okay. Yeah, I see my bid ask is on point, which is helping me. Okay, that's good. That's good. Word. Like that's the trend. I need the solo PB. After that, then we can go over some of the trades
Bet.
that took place.
Bro, I just peeped that a second ago. Let's go. Let's go.
You did.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Bro,
Yes, sir.
that's beast.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm sharing my screen. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's just like it's about to take a loss. And if it does, I think this will be this side of the algo will be break even. And, or it might be a baby red. But we'll see though. But no more trades.
Let's go.
There'll be no more trades. But I already, we're gonna see what it do. We're gonna see. Get a stop loss. All right. Where we at?
Order filled.
Stop filled. Okay. So, you can see when this took a trade. I have it set to go until 10, but it took a trade 5 seconds before. So I might have to change it up, but you can see that that's annoying. That's fine. You can see if the algo did from 9:30. Okay. Markets is dumping. So actually, let's go to the price action chart. Where's my PB? Let's go where we at. Let's go on. All right, y'all should be able to see. Okay. You can see what happened here. Algo did its thing. So again, we have it set to start at 9:30. 9:30 came, we were dumping. So this was nice. We had a signal here. We had a signal here. We almost got stopped out, but the trend never changed. We dumped back down to target.
Beautiful.
Target filled. Right near the lows. Then another entry signal, a pullback. We went short. Made a low. Rejected off the close. Now we're still in this whole 11.4 area, bottom of the fib level. Looks like we want to stay there for a little bit. Okay. We're close to target. Target filled. Okay. Now, another one. I think this happened so fast that, like, you can see how fast it happened. Like, so now this is not time. Remember, this is not time. This is money. So the amount of money came in so fast. So you can see the signal came at 9:45 and 32 seconds, right?
Right.
You can see, look at all these bars at the same time. It's all the same time because it's money. So, but we did get the fill at that price. But we got stopped out. But look at that small stop. Look at that. That's fine. I'm cool with that. That's actually, we didn't even take this trade, but this is just the algo. It took a $16 loss per micro. That's fine. Okay. But then you can see that the trend did change, right? So we got out. The market said if the algo said if the trend changed, we have to take the loss on the short. So let's take that loss. Now let's go to the trend. All right. So since the trend happened, we go along with the trend. The market's moving up now. All right. And I believe there was a pullback entry here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark it off here. So I'm gonna see the spot. I'll mark it off. That's the spot, right? So now we're in. So now we're. So look at the spot. Look at that. It took the pullback entry. So now we're in a pullback and we're in a trend simultaneously. And what I'm actually gonna do is, so yeah, that's what that is. The long targets. So pullback trade hit a target, and then trend trade hit a target, and then it keeps busting. And I believe there was another pullback entry here. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna circle this one. Right? Okay. So I'm gonna circle that one here. What time was that? 9:55. Let's go to the pullback chart. $9.55. Where we at? $9.55. Right here. Pullback entry. Target filled.
Ooh.
Bang. And then I know there was a short, but again, this is all after this should have been after our time of actually trading, but had this was a loss, but this pullback would have been a winner. But we're not talking about that anymore. It doesn't matter. See, all these signals after 10, it starts to the what I found with the back test with the data was after 10 o'clock, it starts to be less. It's less accurate. So stop it at 10. That's why you see that the next time starts at 9:30. So it's not going to take any more trades. No more trades. So yeah, that's how it works. So that's there. And then let's go to the other. What's that? This is the PB. Now go to the trend behind it. And go to the trend. All right. So yeah, man, that's a little algo masterclass.
Let's go.
There it is. Little automation masterclass. So bang, bang, bang. And you see how it takes the loss. Like this thing don't care about nothing. It said, hey, trend, we out. Stop here, we out. Gone. Not playing.
It just does its thing for real.
It just, hey, that's a trend change. We out. No games. Nope. Not doing it. We're not. There's no undisciplinedness and no trend change. We gone. Button on long. Target filled. Entry. Target filled. Put the stop where it needs to be. And like come close to the stop. Did it hit the stop? No. It didn't. Okay. Target filled. Bang. No games. So that's how it's happening. Yeah, and that's about it. Hold on a second. Leia being dumb. Hold on. What she's doing? Get a dog, they say. Oh, actually, let me show y'all something else. I got something else running as well in the background. This is like, let's see where we at. Need my here. All right. Where is it? There. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all something else too. It's basically the same thing. I had it running on some other accounts. It's 10:16. I don't know. Yeah, we leaving at 11. Yep. Yep. We probably can leave a little later because barbershop's like only 20 minutes away, so it's cool. Y'all with me?
Yeah.
All right, cool. My fault. I'm about to show y'all something else too. Something similar, but using it on the minis, and we can see how that did. Let's see. Am I sharing this? I'm not sharing, right? No.
Not
Let me
right
go back. Let me go back to
Not yet.
screen one again. All right. Let me know what y'all can see.
We can see now.
But
Okay. All right. There we go. Cool. Okay. So same situation. Let me see which one came first. Okay. The pullbacks came first. All right. So same situation, but in the minis. Again, signals are best after 9:30 until 10. So let's see. The button on that. Hey, this is all dumping, but guess what? We disciplined. The market, the algorithm doesn't say to take a trade now. We're waiting for the signal to come. That's a dumpy. That's beautiful. The pullback. Why didn't you take this one? Oh, there must have been some crazy slippage. I should have taken this trade. Oh, well, I get it must have happened. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but there was some lag. That's why. But it filled it at the right place, just the wrong time. But yeah, entry here, target. Yeah, this is all messed up because this target was hit here. I think it's just being displayed wrong. Yeah, you can see this too here. This is all messed up, but it's the right way. So one thing about algos you gotta always be on point about. But okay, 2 trades. I think not 668 to 653. How many points is that? Or how much? What's that? That is a $300 winner. And you can see all of them are going for $310 winners. 315. So 310, another one. Target 305 basically. Then we have a trend. Trend changes. Let's go to the trend chart. Okay. What time did that happen? All right. Trend happens. Entry long, and it's a limit order. It's a stop limit order. So it's how they're gonna. It's limit or better. Long target, and let me see how much these trend winners are. For like 400 or 500. There we go. So $500 winner target, and I think one of these might have been a pullback. So if I'm going too fast, let me know. I can always slow down. Let me get it off. Stay in draw mode. Take that off. Here. Okay. I think there was no more pullback entry. So yeah, that was it. Oh, wait. Oh, pullback entry, but guess what? Look at the time. 10 o'clock. You're not taking that. Entry, it would have got stopped out. It's not as accurate. I said monster though. This one here, and then this pullback's monsters. Sure, here it's still being a trade, but yeah, man, that's about it, bro. That's okay. I'll be here. Yeah, that's yeah, we're getting some lag, but I think these would have been winners. And if I'm going too fast, let me know. But you can see the entry would have been here. We would have taken a little bit of heat, and now it would have been moving down the target. But again, it's after 10 o'clock. We're not caring about what happened after 10 o'clock. So after 10, here and over, we don't care. It's fine. It has nothing to do with us. But yeah, so I'm getting some chart lag. But yeah, man, that's it. That's about it, bro.
Beautiful.
So, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. So how y'all feeling? How'd everybody do today?
I didn't took no trades today, even though I seen some good moves, but I just decided for everything to settle down and find something clear.
Yep. That's the way it should be.
I got an order at the 61.8 and one at the 50, but
Hey,
we'll see if we reach out there. If not,
you
What
up
y'all
out of
boys
there.
looking like, man?
they took no
Greenery.
trade.
Yeah. Greenery.
How about you? You getting any positions?
Nah,
What you looking
I
at,
ain't
bro?
been getting in anything. I've been watching NQ.
Mm-hmm.
It looks cool. It then came down to this little imbalance on the hour, the 4 hour, but I'm just really waiting for an actual rejection to show me what it's trying to do.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, I'm just chilling. Oil did look like it was doing a little something. Could have took a little long on oil, but also was just waiting for a better rejection and stuff like that, man. So, yep, just chilling. Gonna go board this slave ship here in a little bit.
Damn.
I know they waiting on me. All aboard!
All aboard. Damn.
What about y'all though? Y'all get in it?
You talking the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no trades for me.
Yeah.
Bro, I seen that sell and I called it, but I'm like, we really didn't go for no liquidity. It was just straight down.
Yeah, it was just a downward spike. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And I was like, man, this story played too many times. Not today.
Yeah,
Where I
bro.
almost
Hey,
ended up
look,
getting wrecked.
Yep, that's a fact.
bro. So many times I would literally, it would be like days like this where I personally don't see my personal trade set up, and I think something could be something, but I know it's not my trade setup. But yeah, he just forced myself to take the trade. Bro, 80% of the times, bro, never goes right, bro.
Yeah, facts.
And the little bit of times that it do just goes right, it's just not even worth it. That shit.
Hey, you're absolutely right. Not even worth it. Facts, bro. Facts.
I'll go the whole day without taking nothing now. Shit, all right with it. Hell. It's funny because trading is cool. I love trading, and man, bro, passionate as hell about it. But y'all know this motherfucker's still mentally fucking stressful, but
100%. Hey, that's part of it. This is it's the hardest way to make easy money.
hardest way to make easy money, bro. And that's why yesterday I could have ended off the day like 400 probably. You know what I mean? But I already, like with my trade, I already took it already hit me out at stop because it was in the daily fair value gap. But I know in daily fair value gaps, they like to really range the whole entire fair value gap a lot. You know what I mean? And I kind of got in a little bit earlier, which made my stop a little bit tighter than usual. You know what I mean? And I knew that it could have still potentially went back up, which it did. So I went and got back in it, made my money back plus some. You know what I'm saying? So it put me up for the day. I made like 250 for the trade, or 200 on the trade because it came back and took me stop profit. So technically $50, but I seen a short on it as well. You know what I mean? So I went ahead
which
and got
market
in
you
that
talking about?
opportunity. This was what, YM, I believe.
Okay, you in the Dow?
Whenever,
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It was in YM whenever
Order
it was bouncing in
submitted.
between those fair value gaps, but it was showing structure, you know. So whenever I seen the momentum dying on my long, whenever it already hit TP2, I went it went in profit and I was up about $60. But mind you, I done already went through a mental battle with getting stopped out, having to get my money back, plus getting back in profit, you know what I mean? And now I'm in this short, you know what I'm saying? And I got bread. Now I'm up $60. You know, I could break even, give it the chance of it coming back, stopping me out, and only being up $50, or I could just take my profit here, be up 100 something for the day after losing 150. You know what I'm saying? And just be done, bro. My mental was already done, bro. Whenever I was up $60, and I was like, I ain't finna let this go back. So I'm just done, bro. And anyway, it died anyway, but it's just like my mentality, bro. Now if I never would have took that loss from the get-go, then I would have it was house's money at that point. I would have just let it ride, you know what I mean? And just milked it out and trailed my stops. But because I didn't already went through that, I was like, bro, I'm already mentally exhausted. I'm gonna take my little profit and go.
I feel you 100%, bro. I feel you 100%. I had my TBT Pro accounts. I was just up 400 only because sometimes with the algos I need to intervene because like it'd be making mad bread sometimes, and I'm like, oh shit, and then it might be aggressive, and I'm running a bunch of different things, so I wasn't able to go button one off, and I'm like wait, and I'm just seeing the bread evaporate, and I'm like, oh, then it took a $400 loss, so I went and just got back 200 manually and called it a day. I'm not, because I already knew.
Yeah.
I'll admit, I probably should not have done that manual shit, but hey, the same thing you saw is what I saw, and I was like, oh, ain't no way I'm about to be red now.
Man,
so,
come on, bro.
But,
and that's the same way I was feeling too.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. What would you say, bro?
No, I was saying nothing. That was it.
Oh yeah, bro. That's basically how I was feeling too. Like once I got stopped out, I low key knew that I shouldn't have got back in, but I also high key knew that the only reason why I got my stop right there was because I got in a little bit. It was gonna come back all the way down to the imbalance to put me in. You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and got where I got in. But I just knew that it had a high possibility to do what it did. You know what I'm saying? So I just had to just be okay with it. But yeah, bro, I was like, yeah, all that mental attitude shit, I'm done. I'm done for today. It's all right. Shoot. It could have been a really big day for me yesterday if I'd have just held, but I was just like, nah, it's cool. Because all that's doing is just implementing discipline for later on in the future. Whenever that feeling comes back again, then I'm gonna do the right thing again and take bread. You know what I'm saying? Can't ever go broke when you take bread. You know, so it is what it is. Yeah, and that's how I knew that low key my mindset is changing for real, because like the old me, bro, wouldn't have gave a fuck if I was up at $60. All I would have seen was, oh shit, I can make 400 on here. I done already lost 150, made 200, but technically only up $50 for the day. Shit, I could grab 400 right here, bro. I'm finna hold it. Man, I was like, nah, I'm finna take my bread, bro. It is what it is. Went from 150 negative to 125 positive. Shit, that's a cool day. Shit, that's a cool day. So,
I feel you, bro. Take that and walk away, bro. That's what it is. You get up out of there. Straight facts. Straight facts. Oh man.
Where's Terrell at?
Yeah. Yeah, where's he at, man?
I'm trying to get like you with these payouts, man. Trey Zeldin already showed me that my plan works. You know what I'm saying? The strategy works. Just got to do what I'm supposed to do each day. Avoid the slip ups, avoid the B setups, avoid all the
That's what it's all
horse
about.
trades. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like days like this, if I don't see a setup, avoid me just trying to look for a setup. Like once the market comes to me, show what it's supposed to do. Shoot, take action. That's what benefits the most. As long as I stick to that plan, bro, it's literally up from here.
Mm-hmm. That's the plan. You heard Serge? Serge was asking what happened with Terrell. He was good with Terrell.
Oh, so with bro, basically, you know, he just in slave ships. You know what I mean? He gets off one, he gotta go board the other one and shit. So he really on some shit right now where he just trying to gain some capital to throw in a live account.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? So So I'm not even gonna lie, bro. So with
Does Fan work around this time?
Yeah, he's at work right now. Yeah, he's at work right now. He probably got like what from 7 to 8, 7 to 8:30, 7 to 9 or something like that. To look at the setups. But I told him like once he get his account, shoot, that's cool, you know what I mean? Because it's setting up the chart before New York open, you know what I'm saying? I mean, don't even really be looking to get in a trade till probably like after 9, you know what I'm saying? A lot of times, because that 4-hour candle done closed by then. So Yep, man. Yep. Everybody just trying to get to it. But yeah, bro, so with this live account, bro, I don't know, man, because like with Apex, I fucks with Apex, but man, bro, it really hurts me with that drawdown. Like it really hurts me with that drawdown. And what made me feel like I had to start moving on was whenever I was blowing accounts, but my account would be at break even type stuff, or I'd actually be in profit, like, and I'd blow my account, you know what I'm saying? Because I really don't like taking one-to-ones, you know what I'm saying? I really don't. Like, because a lot of times my strategy goes for 1-to-2s, you know what I'm saying, 1-to-3s. But sometimes whenever it goes to 1-to-1s, you know what I'm saying, usually that's whenever I'm looking at breaking even type joint, you know what I mean? But so say if I got a $250,000 account with Apex, right? I'm risking a band, right? Like I said, I don't really take 1-to-1. So with Apex, if I'm up $1,000, bro, and if that joint goes back break even, bro, I just lost $1,000. You get what I'm saying? And then it's like, well, damn, because I risked $1,000. So I was looking for 2. You get what I'm saying? So that joint really do be hurting me, bro, because then it's like, okay, so if I'm gonna have to change my whole strategy plan, I'm gonna have to start taking less than what I'm risking. You get what I'm saying? That's gonna mess up my whole those days that I do go on like downfalls where I'm actually losing trades. Now it's really eating up because the profit that I would have been having if I would have held on to my trades, I cut short. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying not to.
Let me stop you there.
Yeah.
You don't gotta change the strategy, bro.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Like listening. So you don't gotta. All you gotta do is size down. That's all you gotta do. You just gotta size. Like if trail and draw. If you have a strategy where the trail and drawdown really gets you, it really only gets you.
Order submitted.
If you were, oh shit, it really only gets you because if you were to take multiple trades in a row, losses like that, then what would happen is if you were to take multiple losses in a row, then it would get you. If that's the case, look at the drawdown and then you got to position size accordingly. That's the name of the game.
Okay.
Look at the drawdown and then position size accordingly. Like that's the only thing you can do. There's nothing else. There is nothing else to do. Like that's it. Like that's the only thing. So you don't gotta you don't ever have to change the strategy.
Yeah. So see, okay, so let's say
Bro,
with
all my payouts, bro. All my payouts, I'm trading the max I'll be in. There's only one time where I was in mad micros on some dumb shit. But
order
bro,
submitted.
I'm telling you right now, 3 to 5 micros, bro.
Yeah. That's where I be in around
order
that range.
filled.
Maybe like a
Order
50K
submitted.
account. You know what I'm saying? I risk maybe 250 to 500. You know.
Yeah.
But even you know what I'm saying, yeah, bro. I be kind of going at it. You know what I mean? Because I mean, as long as I take my A+ setups, bro. I mean, I'll be cool. You know what I mean? It's just if I risk 250 and if I'm up 250, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'm not looking to take that. You get what I'm saying?
I get you.
I don't know if that's my mentality thing that I need to work on, or what it is. You know what I'm saying? It depending on the market structure and how everything's going, I may break even. You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Majority of the time, depending on how far it is from my entry, I may break even. But even then, you know what I'm saying? There's some times where it may come to the break-even zone, you know what I'm saying, before continuing to TP2 or TP1 or whatever case may be, you know what I'm saying? But then that just got me, you know what I mean? And it's weird, though, because I've actually found the ability in my live account with me not having to worry about the drawdown, because if it comes back, it just comes back. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really affected by it.
All you got to do, position size accordingly. That's it. You just position size too heavy. That's the only. Okay. I'll tell everybody that's the first thing you gotta do. You don't even really gotta change in your strategy. You just gotta lower your position sizing.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I gotta try that then, bro. Because shit, I mean, shit. Apparently, I gotta do something because your ass is pulling out these withdrawals from their ass, bro. That's why I'm like, what the hell, bro? I gotta figure it out.
That's the name of the game, bro. People be trying to just micros. I'm telling you, micros. There's nothing else to do. I mean,
micros really got enough bread in it for real. To
I'm saying.
Make money. Yeah, I'm saying.
And you don't gotta be going for like thousands a day. Like you said, you was risking 1,000 on a 250K account. That's crazy. To me, that sounds like your drawdown on a 250K account is 6,500. So you risking damn close to like 15%. That's OD.
I be going heavy. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie with the evals and shit. I be, yeah, bro. I'm not even gonna cap. So yeah, that's probably So what would you risk with a 50K account? What would you risk?
With a 50K account or with a 250?
Yeah. No, with a 50K account. I mean, because I'd rather be in a 50K account. You know what I'm saying? Just because I don't know. I'd just rather be in a 50K account, to be honest. But I mean, I've had a 250K account, but I definitely blew that motherfucker. But I mean, I was in profit probably like 2 bands, but I blew that bitch. So yeah.
Well,
like, fuck. Yeah.
I mean, well, I would say like, I mean, me, I always go for the bigger accounts just because I like that drawdown. Just because you never know what's gonna happen. There could be issues, glitches, whatever, and I always want to be able to have enough drawdown to kind of, to weather a storm. You know, there was one day, bro, I took like a 2K loss in my funded accounts, bro, because it's some awesome glitch shit, on some shit where I came back to the house and I'm like, oh shit, I'm in a trade, because the order was a limit order was placed and it got executed, so it was on some shit like that, and I ended up, I still got those accounts. I'm still getting payouts on them because I had mad drawdown to play with. So I think that's the name of the game, having the drawdown, being able to weather storms. Like, so yeah, that's the name of the game, bro.
bro. I'm gonna go ahead and knock again. Maybe it's because I can pass them. I can pass the shit out of these accounts. You know what I'm saying? That ain't the problem. But I think maybe sometimes whenever I do pass it, maybe I'm just a little bit too eager to get the payout. So I do
Yeah, you gotta
kind
take
of
it slow,
hold.
bro.
Yeah, I do kind of hold for them home runs, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes holding for them home runs, the shit retraces. You get what I'm saying? And, I
And
mean, it'll hit it, but in the meantime, it retracing, that's hurting me. You get what I'm saying? So
look, that's why I for me, that's why I always see, and this is at nobody in the group. This is just in general. I always see people online. They always showing like these things where they risk 1 to make 10, risk 1 to make 30. Bro, that shit right there. Most traders doing that, it's getting clapped. Most traders
for sure.
doing risking 1 to make 10 and 20 and all these numbers. Most traders doing that shit, they are not doing well in the market because that takes a lot of psychology. Imagine being up $1,000 and then going and then taking a $200 loss, right? Like that's demoralizing, bro. So I'm not about to be up, like, bro. I'm not about to be up that much money and give it back. Like, I'm not doing that, bro. I need my money. So, hey, see profit, give me that target. Give me that. Okay, I'll take my loss. Target, give me that target. Okay, I'm done. I'm up out of there. There's nothing else. Like, there's nothing else to do. Like, we good. We up out of there. So that's how I'm coming in this market, man.
Yeah, that's how I need to be, bro. Cause I make the money. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, even Trade Zealot says that my joint's about like 70-80%. But that's without tilt days. That's without me just taking anything. You know what I'm saying? That's without, like, today, market ain't showing nothing, me forcing a trade, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what will take my 70-80% win rate down to a 30-40% win rate quick. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's just, I think it's more maybe because it's actually my bread. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if
that's live capital you talking.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's a different story.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I don't know. Hold on a second. I'll be right back though. Hold on one second.
Yeah. I gotta get ready for work anyway. I'm just coming from this damn doc's appointment. I get ready for this damn slave shit tonight.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, y'all, my fault. Yeah, here we go. Hmm. So who's taking 170? Oh, there was nothing executed there. Okay, wait, for real? Hmm. All right, so I still got to do something there. All right, so I actually just had another. I'll go take a trade. And yeah, it was, bro. It's looking real clean over here. Who else is on? All right, I'm about to end my live. So this is not to whoever's on Zoom, but this is to the audience. I'll tap in with y'all in a few. Let's go.